7 is the end.
I don't know why.
Something going on
It's
in
weird.
First day on the job, yeah. As the resin comes into the barrel, this barrel goes all the way through and comes out in the center of this barrel, right?
Yeah.
And then air is spinning. There's a saucer inside the head. The air spins the head, and that saucer's connected to the outer barrel here. You see that?
Yeah.
And then the black tip gets bolted onto this piece. So the resin comes through the straight barrel while this is spinning, and this spin is centrifugally spins the spray into the pipe.